All right, welcome back to another video, guys. Check this out. So I got the whole side cover off over here. Let's zoom out so you can see that. So yeah, we got this bit off, and yeah, we got this bit off. All right, so this is what I was talking about before when I was thinking about maybe taking off all the bodywork from the front. You can see how much easier it is to access the throttle cable, the air filter, you know, the battery and everything else. I do worry about maybe sliding or crashing and maybe, you know, something getting caught back there, but this makes me worry a little bit less. And yeah, I'm just I'm thinking about it. I'm definitely thinking about this. I really don't know if this is how I want to run the bike, but I can tell you that for addressing that throttle, getting this side cover off, oh man, it's just so much easier. So I highly recommend getting these covers off. So what I did was, there was the one over here, there was a 4mm, and then there was a 5mm, same thing on the other side. And you got this one, which is kind of in between two of them. Then there was this sucker, and of course, if you have that center cover on, you got to get that center cover off too. Other than that, yeah, I think this is gonna work out pretty good. I'm already liking how much easier it is to access everything in here. So yeah, I guess I will give you guys an update once I get that throttle 100% fixed. Yeah, definitely getting this cover off helped. So, catch you guys next time.